Do you want to know who your enemy is? You want to know the people that is troubling your life? You want to know the person that every night, the person will come and press you? Do you want to know them? Do you want to know who your enemies are? You want to know those people who are behind your predicament, those people who bewitch you. Let me tell you simple remedy, simple thing that you can do so that they can come and confess to you. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. Or you don't want them to come and confess to you. Watch this video to the end. Like this video, share this video, follow my page, and also subscribe to my channel. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, it's all about spirituality. As we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural root, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energy, frequencies, and vibration. If this is your first time of joining us, you are highly welcome. Whatsoever that is your problem that made you to come in contact of my face, my God will solve that problem for you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, I have come with another power pack information that will help you to fasten up your deliverance. You want to know the person that every night that person will come and press you. You want to know who your enemies is. You want to know those who are bewitching you. You want to know those people who bewitch you, who does not want you to have rest. Let me tell you simple remedy. Just simple thing that you can do so that they will come and confess to you. Or you don't want them to confess to you. If they don't confess to you, they will leave your life entirely. But after doing this, they will come and confess to you. Now, get me one garlic. This is my one garlic like this. Like this. This is garlic. Peel this garlic. This garlic, you need to peel it. Garlic has a lot of spiritual energy. Peel the garlic when you want to go to bed. And this should be the last thing you do before you go to bed. You get one garlic like this. You peel it the way I peel it, and you place it on your forehead. And you begin to pray. You first of all call your name 4 times. And you begin to pray. Pray against all your enemies. Those enemies that has been backbiting you. Those enemies that has been saying evil against you. Tell the universe, say your father's deities. Tell God in heaven that you want to know who your enemies is. You want to know those who are bewitching you. Let the universe expose them. You keep on praying. You know what you are going through. Tell the universe that you want to know that man, that woman that used to oppress you when you are sleeping. Keep praying. Something must surely happen after you do this assignment. After you might have prayed, wave it on your head anti-clockwise. Keep it under your bed and go to sleep. Yes. I'm telling you, you are going to do this 4 nights in a row. I am telling you, if you do this, your hidden enemies will be exposed. And whatsoever you see in your dream, don't be afraid. Your hidden enemies will be exposed in this November. Do you see this November? Anybody who has been tormenting you, anybody who has been oppressing you, after this recipe, they will be exposed. You have to keep this. In the morning, you trash it. When you are going to bed at night again, you repeat the assignment. Within the interval of 4 days, the universe will reveal to you whoever that is your enemy. The universe will reveal to you whoever that does not want you to progress. Whoever that is behind the predicament you are going through. But whatsoever you see in your dream, don't be afraid. All you need to do is to contact Brother Chima, and I will give you a solution to that your problem. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. Please share this video, like this video, follow my page, and subscribe to my channel. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, on this channel we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been from one testimony to the other. Our spiritual materials helps you to fasten up your deliverance. You can grab your own copy. We ship all part of the whole world. Europe, Asia, America, South America, Canada, Australia, Germany, Holland, UK, Belgium, all over Africa. With DHL, EMS, UPS, and FedEx. If you place an order within the interval of 5 to 6 days, your shipment will get to your doorstep. Our spiritual materials help you to fasten up your deliverance. We have the road opening soap. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the hand me no soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the stop evil soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bad detox. Then we have the Equobo Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the moving object destroyer. Are you suffering from moving object? Is that anything crawling inside your body? Have you eaten something in the dream? And since you wake up from that dream, it has been from one problem to the other, from one sickness to the other, from one affliction to the other. Something is crawling inside your head. Something is crawling inside your chest. Something is crawling inside your belly. Something is moving inside your ankles. From your head to your toe, something is moving around. You have been to the doctors. They diagnose you don't have HIV. You don't have infection. But you are dying slowly. You are thinking of taking your own life. Brother Chima has the antidote to your problem. It is called Equobo Spiritual Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover, the moving object destroyer. This product is tested and trusted. You can ask my fans all over the world. On this channel, we also help people to solve their spiritual problem. If you have any spiritual problem that you need me to look into, I do reading and consultation. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Yes. Thank you for always coming back here to watch my video. Please share this video, like this video, follow my page, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.